If you're a science fan, you've probably wondered, why do some people sneeze the moment they step into sunlight? Let's break it down. This wild reflex actually has a name, the photic sneeze reflex. It affects up to a third of people. Here's what's happening. When bright light suddenly hits your eyes, your optic nerve sends a signal to your brain. But sometimes the message gets crossed with the nerves that control sneezing. So, your brain thinks something's tickling your nose, even though it's just sunlight. It's not dangerous, just a quirky genetic trait you might inherit from your parents. Scientists think it's basically a little wiring glitch in the brain's control center. So next time you sneeze at the sun, just remember, your brain's throwing a little science party, and your nose is invited. Hit like if you learned something new, and let me know in the comments if you're a sun sneezer.